Okay, today we'll talk about accrued prepaid. Accrued means haven't paid yet. Prepaid means pay in advance. In advance means your right arrow. Accrued, I use left arrow. Okay? Okay. Within the line, I plus. Outside the line, I minus. Okay. The steps will be first step, find year end, then timeline. Time will be the start and end. Okay. Now let's do the first question. Okay. So first thing first, year end, then timeline. Let me draw a timeline. Okay. Okay. Year end will be 31 March 2010. 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay. So what he say? Outstanding 1 April 2009. Outstanding mean accrual to the left outside the line minus. Okay. Then let's see this. 31 March 2010. Accrual left inside within the line plus. Okay. Then let's do this double entry. Pay wages. So it's credit bank. Debit wages. Okay. Okay, then let's write the wages account. The wages account is an expense. So debit plus expense. So it's debit account, so plus. So credit minus. Then let's see the first line. The first line he want you to wages debit bank. Wages debit bank. Okay. Date will be 2010 March 31 and G2 800. Okay. Then let's go to the next line. So this line you want minus 300 minus 300. This day first day, so balance BCSD. Then let's see the second one. Okay, plus 450 plus 450. This one will be last day, so this one will be balance CSD. Okay, then let's continue. Oh, okay, done already. Then let's close the account. So we have balance CD already. So this one will be income statement. Okay, so This one we need to drop down to 50. To next day 2020 April 1. Okay, now let's go to next question. So the first thing I will do is year ended timeline. Then year ended will be 2021 April 30. 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay. So at 1 May, accrued. So 1 May here, accrued to the left, upside, minus. Okay. Then okay. This one pay fuel expense is just some credit bank debit expense. Okay. Then this one at this day unpaid. Mean this one not yet paid, so it's accrued. So this one to the left within the line plus. This one plus. Okay. Okay. Now we are doing expense account. So debit we plus, credit we minus. Okay. The first line is say minus 30. So minus 30. 2010 May 1. Okay. First day balance BD. Okay. Then you pay fuel expense by check. This expense debit bank. Expense debit bank. 340 by 2011 April 30. Then plus 50 plus 50. Last day, so it's balance CD. Okay. Then we done already. We can total the account. Okay, since we have balance CD here, so we put income statement. So 360. So we can kind of bring down the balance to next day. Bring down. Okay. Okay, now let's go to next question. First thing first, year end. Okay. Then let me draw a timeline. June 30, I think. Okay. So 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay. Then let's see the question. It say fee payment 1 July. 1 July prepaid to the right within the line plus. Then he say payment for the insurance payment will credit bank and debit insurance. Okay. Then let's see the next one. 30 June prepayment. 30 June prepayment outside minus, so minus. This one drop down to next day. Next day will be July 1. Okay. Okay. Now this question I want you to do homework. Then next question also homework. Next question also homework. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay. First thing first, year end. Year end. Okay. So the year, let me zoom out a bit. Okay. Year ended 31 December 2014. Okay. So this one 1 year before, no, 1 day after. Okay, December 31. Our year end December 31. So the year start will be Jan 1. Okay. Okay. So this one you see 2014, and this one is 2013 April 1. There's this one outside, right? I know it's paid by check, right? So it's a credit bank, right? But this one is outside, so we don't record it. So we no record. Okay. Then okay. Okay, so the thing now will be 1,440 for 12 months. So what you need to do is 12 months is 1440. So what you want? Okay. This one 9 months will be 1080 put here. And this one 3 month. This one 3 month will be okay 360. So put minus. Okay. So this one do we need to record? It say no record. So this one I don't record lah. Okay. So only remaining this one. So the entire line is actually this entire line is income statement. Okay, the whole thing here is income statement. Okay. Okay. Now let's record the thing. Okay, let's see the first line. The first line it say no record need no. So the one April ignore it lah. Okay. Now let's go to next line. Okay. Next line will be so 1 April 2013 you ignore it. So now is 2014 1 April will be insurance. Okay. Insurance as usual debit account plus credit minus insurance debit bank. Insurance debit bank. Okay. Then let's continue. For 12 months to this thing, we might have accrued or prepaid. So let's look at the timeline. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. So the timeline say, IS is this to add together. Okay. IS at minus side. Okay. Minus IS. You see the minus look like I. Okay. So it's minus IS by this by this one. At this one will be 1380 at the end of the year. December 1. Then this one done already. And let's see here minus 360 minus 360 will be last day, so it's balance CD. So let's total the account. Okay. Balance spot down to next day. Oops, I think I make a mistake. So this one should have balance BD with 300. This one. So the okay. Mistake, sometimes make mistake a bit is okay. So now let's go to next question. Okay, because I think this question is hard lah. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. First thing first. First thing first. Year end. Okay. Year end. Okay. Let me. So. Then draw a timeline. There are 2013 June 30. Okay. Okay. So 1 year before, 1 day after. So this day, fee payment. This day, right hand side, plus. And this day, he pay, right? Pay insurance. So credit bank, debit insurance. Okay. Let me move down a bit. Okay. So for the year to this day, so this day is here, August 31. So from here to here, how much the minus 6. Oh, so this one is 2 months. Okay. So let's do some ratio. So it's a year is there. So 12 months, you'll get 1320. 2 months, you'll get 220. So this one, get 220. So outside, so minus. I better put here as 220. Okay. Okay, then let's continue. So this one, insurance. Insurance is actually an expense. So debit plus, credit minus, then say plus 200, plus 200. Okay. Uh, so first day, so if balance BD. Okay. The next one will be insurance, debit, bank. Insurance, debit, bank. Be September 1, 1320. Okay. So for then this one will be minus 220 minus 220, then 1. Okay. Oops, sorry. I do some mistake. So this one will be 2013 August 1, August 31. Last day, so it's balance CD. Okay, we can total the account. balance brought down. Next day. Okay. Okay, so this one we do it correctly. Okay, now let's go to next question. Okay, first thing first, year ended. Okay, so two zero two two. Okay, seven. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay, this one the first line very obvious. The second line will be this one will be pay, right? So this one will be credit bank, then debit insurance. Then this day will be here. So this one will be outside. So your minus uh, the month will be 3 months. Okay. Now let's do the ratio. The 12 month is this thing. So 12 month is 10,000. So 3 month will be 3,000. Okay. Put 3,000 here. I also put 3,000 here. Okay. Then okay. Now let's record it. So this one insurance is an expenses. So debit plus credit minus. Okay. The first nine, the first nines are just uh, balance PD debit balance PD by 2,000. So the next nines are just insurance debit bank, insurance debit bank. Okay. By 10,000. Okay. And the third line minus 3,000 minus 3,000. So this one is a stay. A stay, so we balance CD. So let's close the account. So brought down to next day. Yeah, so the answer is correct. So now let's go to the next question. Okay, this one I want you to do homework. Homework. Also this one homework. Okay. Now let's also this one I think homework. Okay. Now let's go to page 15. As first thing first, year end. Year end. Okay. So it's 2014 December 31. So the start of the year will be 2014 January 1. Okay. Then okay. Then this one a bit special. So the rent was 200 per month up to 31 May. So I will like to use this. Let me use May 31. So here to here the rent will be 200 per month. Then here. So here then after that will become after that the rent increase to become 240 per month. Okay, 240 per month. Okay. And okay. So 1 January is here 200. So I use blue color. So 2 month in areas. Areas to the left hand side. Outside minus 2 month. In total how much? Minus 1 month is 200. 2 month is 400. I better put this one 400. Okay. Then 15 May is still the blue color. Okay. Uh, pay rent. So is credit bank. So debit rent. Okay. Okay. Now this one October 21, which is around here. So black color. So this one also pay rent. So it's one credit bank. Debit rent. Not sure. And then this one uh, uh, paid 3 months in advance. So this one is prepaid. This day prepaid. This day prepaid. Right hand side. 3 months. Outside the line. Outside. So it's minus. So minus how much? 1 month is 240. 3 months will be 720. So this one I use minus 720. Okay. Then here's the thing. Here's this the entire thing is income statement, right? Okay, so let's find the income statement. Will be equal to, from here to here is, I think is 5 months. From here to here will be 7 months. So 200 times 5, the total charge will be 2680. So I better write again so I don't forget. So I put IS equal to 2680. Okay, then let's record. So this one, the first line is A. Okay, before that we let's say this one rent is expense. So debit plus credit minus, okay, minus 400 minus 400. So it's at this day. So first day is balance BD. Okay. Then the next line will rent debit bank, rent debit bank by 1,800. Then the third line, rent debit bank, rent debit bank by, not sure. Fourth line, so fourth line will minus 720 minus 720 by 7 last day, so it's balance CD. Don't forget income statement is income statement is 2680. Okay, then we can balance the account. So this one question mark, not sure yet. So let's balance this one no question mark, right? So we can straightforward. So it's 3,800. This one also 3,800. So the bank will be 2,000. So yeah, bring down the balance 720. To next day. Okay. Okay, so the answer is correct. Now let's go to next question. Okay. First thing first, year end. Oh, so for the month of this day, so it suggests it suggests the it suggests the it suggests year end will be 2009, April 30, end of the month. Okay. Then let's go. So 1 year, so you say one month only, right? So this one also 1 month, no? Okay. The timing, say 1 month. This one a bit special lah. Okay. So okay, continue what he say. So what did he say? So he say outstanding on 1 April. So 1 April to the left. Outstanding mean accrued. Accrued 1 April, 1 April to the left. So outside, so minus. So this one I have to minus. Okay. Okay. Then he say from 1 April. So each month. So this one timing 1 month, right? So the entire thing is 1 month. So we make income statement for 1 month lor. So the income statement will be 450 lor. Okay. So I put this one income statement. And then what he say is 27 April payment of rent. So debit rent, credit bank by this amount. Okay. So the first line I think is not important. Okay. So let's continue. What he say is rent so yeah expense. So expense I debit plus credit minus the first line minus 150. So minus 1.009. Okay. This one is balance ED. Then the second line is here income statement 450. So minus income statement IS at negative. So minus 450. So this one for income statement. Okay. For in the end of 30. So this one, third line, rent debit bank, rent debit bank, April 27, 500. Okay, now let's close the account. This one will be 600. This one will be. So drop down. To next day. Okay, so the answer is correct. Okay, now let's go to next question. Next one. So year end. First thing first, year end. Then timeline. I draw a timeline. Okay. Oops. Draw a timeline. 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay, so on 1 August, 130 per month. Then suddenly, okay, so this day is, I think is here. So so previously is 130 per month, now 140 per month. Okay, and then what he then 1 August, outstanding means haven't paid, so accrued, to the left. This one he say outside, right? So you minus 2 months. So in total minus how much? 260. I better minus 260. So okay, let's continue. And then you pay the rent totaling this thing. So I pay rent, right? So it's credit, bank, debit, rent. Okay. Then this one 3-month rent, 31 July, accrued, 31 July accrued to the left. Okay, to the left. So in within the line plus 3 months. Okay, so in total will be 420 plus 420. So I better use plus 420. Okay. Okay. Then don't then about the income statement is the whole year. Okay. So from here to here, I think is 9 months. So from here to here, 3 months. So the income statement will be 140 times 3. So 1590. So I also record it. Better record it. Okay. Okay, so now let's record the account. So this rent is expense. So it's debit plus credit minus. Okay. The first line. So is first line say minus 260 minus 260. 2009 August 1 first day. So it's balance PD. Okay. The second line will be rent debit bank, rent debit bank. Okay. The third line plus 420 plus 420. So last day is balance CD. Don't forget the income statement. IS at negative. So minus 1590. Minus 1590. Okay. One is income statement. This one is okay. Now we can close the account. Balance spot down. Next day. Okay, correct. Then let's go to next question. Okay, now we are doing another question will be stationery stationery account. Okay, this one is very simple. What this account is actually is expense. Okay, so we have debit debit balance. Okay, so he say 1 July he had stationery, right? So this one first day is a balance ED. Okay, just remember the stationery expense so is debit balance. Okay, so here okay, then he bought stationery means he spend money so credit bank debit stationery. So stationery debit bank stationery debit bank then wait okay, so okay, second line done, first line done. So the third line will be on this day the you just say balance CD lah. So balance CD is opposite of balance BD is left, so balance CD is right. It's opposite side. So it's 110. So it's 2013 June 30. So we can kind of close the account. So this one you get income statement. Okay. Then bring down next day. Next day is July 1. Okay. Okay. The answer is correct. So let's go to next question. Okay. Okay, what we want us to get stationery account. This means expense. So we have debit balance BD. Okay. So yeah, on first day he say 144. Okay. Then this one pay by check. So is credit bank debit stationery. Okay. Stationery debit bank. Stationery debit bank 5368. Okay, done. Then continue. Stationery for personal use. So debit drawing, credit stationery. Okay, so stationery, debit drawing, stationery, debit drawing. Okay, 36. Okay, and this one at the year end is actually balance CD now. Balance CD as opposite side. Okay, 92. So you can balance the account. This one will be income statement. So walk down to next day. Next day will be April 1. Okay. Oh, sorry, I make a mistake. So stationery credit drawing. So sorry, I make a mistake. Oops. So what we'll do actually oops. Sorry, I make a mistake about the drawing. So drawing should be at the credit side. So if I do it properly, so the income statement should be 394. Okay. Okay. So put down the balance. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So this one is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's go to next question. Okay, this one I want you to try homework. Okay. So next question will be yeah. Next question will be income lah. So okay. So this one is a rent receivable account. But the first thing first we do the year ended. Okay. So year ended is this. So the year start will be 1 year before, 1 day after. Okay. Okay. So okay. So you can see this one is a annual rent. Actually, this one is hint for you is income statement. Then the 1 September O means accrued. Not haven't paid yet, right? So it owe you money, right? Accrual. So accrual one step accrual to the left. This one outside minus. One I put minus. Then this one he received check. So this one also the entire thing is debit bank. You can think like the entire thing here. So it's debit bank, credit, rent, receivable. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, now let's record it. Call it. Okay, the first line. Okay, before I need to record it, I need to know when receivable is an income. So credit I plus, debit I minus. Then let's see the okay. You see the first line, the annual rent. So income statement at this one, income statement at negative side. So this one is say 8,400. Okay, so I put income statement. Okay. So next line. Okay, let me minimize. Okay. So minus 2,100. 1 minus 2,100. Okay. This one is 1 September 1 first day, so it's balance PD. About the income statement, the the last day will be 2015 October 1. Okay. Then continue. Receive a check. So receivable credit bank, receivable credit bank. Okay. So this thing the keep on repeat. Okay. This thing repeat. Okay. Then be done already. Let's balance the account. Put down. Next day. Oh shit, this one I think October. Oh yeah, sorry, this one the year end is August 31. Okay. This one next day will be September 1. Okay. Yeah, so the answer is correct. Okay. So the remaining question or homework. Okay. Then this one also homework. This one homework. What I would like to say is this one subscription and income. Be careful about that. Okay. So this one commission receivable. so income ah. Okay, this also homework. This one homework. Yeah, remaining question you do homework ah.